In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube channel name. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Let's open YouTube from here. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on YouTube Studio. In the left side menu, click on Customization. In the Customization menu, scroll down and you will find the options for Name and Handle. Changing your YouTube channel name may become necessary for several reasons. As your content evolves, your original name may no longer reflect your niche, brand identity, or target audience. Rebranding can help attract new viewers, improve searchability, and better align your channel with your goals or business. Additionally, if the current name is too generic, hard to remember, or similar to other channels, changing it can help set you apart and make your channel more recognizable. Ultimately, a new name can represent a fresh start, boost engagement, and support long-term growth. In the Name section, edit or change your name. I will edit the name a bit just as an example. You should know that you can change or edit your name only twice every 14 days, so choose wisely. You can also edit your channel handle if you want, but I will leave this as it is. After you are done, click on Publish. Now, refresh the tab. Click on Go to Channel. Here, you can see that my channel name has been changed. Following these steps, you can change your YouTube channel name easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.